To present a PowerPoint file in a Teams meeting, first click the Open Share Tray button on the meeting toolbar. The share tray will appear. One of the headings in the share tray is PowerPoint, and underneath that, you'll see a list of your recent PowerPoint files. Scroll through this list to find the one you want to present. If you can't find the PowerPoint you want to share in this column, click on the Browse button at the top right of the column. Select one of the options that appears and navigate to where the PowerPoint is located on your computer. Once selected, it might take a few seconds to load, and then the PowerPoint slideshow will begin. The slides will, by default, take up the meeting screen. On the bottom left of your slides, you will see a small presenter toolbar. You can see the number of slides you have in your presentation and the number of the current slide. Use the arrows either side of this to go forwards and backwards through your slideshow. If you've added animations to your slides, the arrows will step through the animations before moving on to the next slide. You can also add interactive content to your slides, such as links and videos, and other people in the meeting will be able to click on them to engage with them. Also, in the presenter toolbar, you have a little eye icon. Clicking this prevents others in the meeting moving through the slides at their own pace. Once you've clicked it, the icon will appear with a little line through it. The final button for presenters in the presenter toolbar is to stop presenting.